Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. Today I'm explaining how to download and install Safari browser. So I hope enjoy this video. Please like and comment and subscribe our channel. So just I'm click Brave browser as any browser choose you. So I'm just typing Safari browser, okay, and hit enter. Okay, Safari browser at go. So Apple Safari, so I click download, okay, and so latest version March 2050. Okay, this is the phone apps. So I'm back and Safari browser for Windows 10. Okay, now how to install Safari browser, then Windows 10 or Windows 11. So can I install Safari Windows 10 or 11? Yes, you can download and install Safari browser in Windows 11, Windows 10 and Windows 7 as your well. However, catch on Apple on longer developer Safari Windows operating systems. This means that the last version of Safari available for Mac OS and iOS, not available for Windows operating system. So latest browser Windows not available. So step 1, click download Safari 5.1.7, set up app from Apple and set up support both 3-bit and 60-bit Windows 11, 10, 8 and 7 systems. So just instruction follow. Number 1, click here, okay, download the Safari browser and run an install process. So next, and click next and install. So I got